recording has just started. All right, so thanks everyone for joining this second live event. And let's go straight to the point because I'm very, very happy to talk a little bit with Wayne, that most of you already know, about something new that we're doing in the community from the next month, so from February. And so basically, we're going to work together with Wayne, that in a few seconds is going to quickly present himself for the people who do not know him, and talk a little bit about what he'll do with us. So we're going to do monthly sales online meetups, let's call them like this, where Wayne is going to show to everyone in the community the best sales strategies that he's using since a lot of years to sell Climbo to all his local business clients. And before leaving the word to you, Wayne, I want to reply to Christian, that in the chat is saying no sound. Probably you do not hear the sound if you join the event from an external link without being logged into school. So as the last time, you have to firstly go into school, log in into your school account, go into the Climb Accelerator community, click on calendar, select the event, and then click on the link of the event. So in this way, you make sure you're logged into school, so you hear the sound. Basically, you're not hearing the sound because you're logged out from school. All right, so let's start. So welcome, Wayne. I know it's a little bit late in Australia. What time is it there?
Just gone 1 a.m.
All right. So we go straight to the point with Wayne. So if you can please present you a little bit to all the people that I guess that most of the people already know Wayne, because Wayne was very, very present in our previous community. But for all the people that maybe were not present in the previous community, if you can present a little bit about you and your background, and tell to everyone what you'll do in the Climb Accelerator community.
No, look, happy to do that. Thanks for having me on, Giacomo. It's great to be working with you guys again. As most of you know, we used to, in Climbo 1, the original school, in 2024, we ran a series of Zoom meetings every month, and it was all sales related. And then Climbo were focusing on the new software 2.0. So we put that aside for a year so the boys could focus 100% on that. And Giacomo and I caught up the other day and had a good chat about what we can do together again to bring 2.0 really to the forefront. And as some of you know, I've already migrated a lot of my clients across to the 2.0 platform. I'm a huge fan, and I've said publicly before, initially I wasn't, but now I'm a raving fan of 2.0. My background is in direct sales. I've done business to business and door to door selling since 1992. So it's been a fair while. I've lost count of how many doors I've knocked on and presentations I've done. At one point in my career, when I was selling in-home domestic sales, I'd had 10,000 in-home presentations under my belt. So it's a fair few. In business to business sales, I've been doing that since probably around about 98. So it's been a long time. And the market really hasn't changed. The way we do things, the way we communicate to businesses, especially locally, they'd love to deal locally. People think when they join an online community like Climbo, they want to have clients globally. They want to scale globally. Your biggest success is always in your backyard. You know, I'm now known in my area as the review guy.
Mm-hmm.
Now, my area has grown, admittedly. It's not only here on the Sunshine Coast, but we've got the Gold Coast. I've got clients in America. I've got clients in New Zealand, and they've all come from referrals from other businesses. So we're going to really harness and focus on local sales, the techniques I've used and continue to and change and develop. And I see some people in the community come up with some great ideas, and I'll generally will grab them and test them myself and go, yeah, that was fantastic. Let's see what we can do to make that even better. But yeah, so we're going to be running a Zoom once a month, back to what we used to do, and it'll be an open forum Zoom. There'll always be a structure there, a topic, and then from that topic in that call will evolve and move on. So we're excited to move forward and grow the community and grow the sales and help as many local business owners as we can.
That's amazing. So that's amazing, and thank you, Wayne, for being present in the Climbo community. I really love what you said about being local, because I think that's the biggest lesson here, the biggest first lesson that we can take from this first, let's say, minutes of introduction, because as you said, a lot of people come to Climbo thinking that they can start to sell the platform to, the other countries in the world, businesses in other region, other countries. But what really small local business owner wants is a local partner that they can talk physically, they can meet physically, that they can trust. So of course we are software users, we are software buyers. So for us, it's not a problem to buy a tool made in another continent, because we are tech people. But small local business owners that usually are not tech savvy people, they want something like a real local partnership. And Wayne is an expert on this, on building local partnership, and on acquiring customers for this review management business. So this is what we're going to do from the next month with Wayne. I know a lot of you guys need this, because a lot of you asked for this. So we're going to do monthly meetings with the Wayne. Everything, of course, is going to be recorded and published into the classroom of the community. And in every event, of course, there will be a Q&A session with Wayne, where you can ask everything. And for those who want to go deep and have a real also one-to-one with Wayne, there will be also the possibility to do that, to get one-to-one support with Wayne. So thanks, Wayne, for coming in the beginning of this event. And
No,
so, yep,
no, my pleasure. I'll just address one quick question here. This
yep.
is not. This is absolutely separate to our Climbo Pros group, which is a private
Mhm.
mentoring group we've got.
Yep.
So this is a free session I'll be running every month in the Climbo community. It's not a paid session.
Of
So,
course, it will be free for everyone inside
yep.
the community, so all of you guys will be able to join. So thanks a lot, Wayne, and so we
No,
see each
thank you,
other
mate.
in the next event.
Yeah, no, I look forward to it. Look forward to it. No, guys, thanks for allowing me the opportunity to share again. We're really excited for the future of Climbo. So look
Perfect.
forward to
So we
it.
really
I'll let
appreciate it.
you do what you need to do.
Let's go. All right. Thanks, Wayne.
Thanks, guys.
All right, guys. So let's go with the plan agenda for today. I see that a lot of you still have problems with the audio. Um, and let me clarify this again. In order to hear my voice, you have to be logged into school. You don't hear me because you're logged out. So you click the school link from an external app, and you are not logged into your school account. So you have to go to school.com, log in, go inside the Climbo community, go to calendar, and click the event link. And in this way, you'll be able to hear the sound. All right. So let's go with the agendas for today. So as you know, every week, firstly, we talk about the new features, and then we do a Q&A session related to the new features published, and also if you want to ask things about our roadmap. So let me share my screen so I'll be able to show you what we've built. All right. Perfect, perfect. You should be able to see my screen now. Just let me know in the chat if you see the screen. Perfect. All right, all right. So let's go with today's agenda. I'm very happy that now you hear also my voice. So, as I previously announced in the community, this week we worked mainly on three things. So, we, of course, work in the mobile app development. So, everything is ready for starting the next month with the first batch of apps. And I'm very, very happy that the first 15 people decided to join the first batch. So now all the other climbers who wants to join the mobile app service will go into the next batch, which will be the March batch. And of course, two big things that we developed this week are coupon codes and tiered pricing. I prefer to call it package pricing that we're going to see in a minute. And these features are already live inside your account. So we released these features like a few minutes ago. So let's start with coupons. So of course, coupons just work for paid plans. So, of course, as you know, when you create your custom pricing plans, you can create both free plans and the paid plan. And of course, coupons works just for paid plan. And of course, you have to integrate Stripe in order to be able to create paid plans. And let's see how coupon works. So basically, you just go to settings, coupons, and in order to create a coupon, of course, you just click on the plus button. You add the coupon name, like for example, 20 off. You select the duration of the coupon. You can choose between once and forever. Uh, Once mean that, for example, for a monthly subscription, the coupon will be used just for the first month, and then all the next payments will be charged without the coupon. Of course, forever, the coupon will be used forever. So, for example, if there is a $100 per month subscription and we have a 20 off coupon forever, every month the customer pays $80. So let's create, for example, a 20% off coupon. So we select, for example, forever, because we want the coupon to work for every payment of the customer. We select the type of the coupon. We have a percentage, like 20% off, or fixed amount. If we select percentage, we just have to insert the discount value, like 20. Of course, if we select a fixed amount, firstly, we select the currency and then the value. Of course, if you have plans in dollars, here you create coupons with the dollars amount. So just make sure that you use the same currencies on plans and coupons. And that's it. So super easy. Let's do, for example, a 20% coupon forever. We just click save, and the coupon is created. And here you have the list of your coupons, and you can see all the data like the duration, the discount, and also the usage. So if a coupon is used by customers, you can see it here. And of course, you can delete the coupon if you don't need to use them anymore. And of course, in the plans section right now, when you create a plan, let's get into a plan already created, for example, the bronze plan, you see you have here a new option, which is called allow coupons. All right. So in the payment link, there will be the possibility for your customers to add a coupon code. For example, let's open this payment link for the $49 per month bronze plan, where we allowed coupon. You see there is the button add promotion code. All right. And so if I click here, of course, as you know, this is the Stripe checkout. We can add the coupon that we've just created, 20 off, and you see that the monthly amount goes down. So in the client sections right now, when your clients use a coupon, you will see a coupon icon here. It means that the client is using a coupon, and just moving the mouse over this, you can see the details of the coupon used. For example, this client used the 10 off V1 coupon, which is 10% off forever. So that's the first big thing for this week. So of course, this is a V1, so version 1 of coupons. There are a lot of other things that we can do with coupons. For example, we can set up an expiration date for coupons or a redemption limit. For example, the coupon that we created for the mobile app, as you know, had a redemption limit of 15 usages. And so you'll be able to set these advanced limits in the future in a, let's say, V2 of the coupons. So, for example, we can set that, for example, this coupon has a redemption limit of, let's say, 5 usages. So, if it reach 5, the coupon doesn't work anymore. So, in this way, you can create some kind of scarcity for your customers, saying, "Hey, there is this coupon, but it's expiring like in a week, or just 5 people can use it." So this is the first big thing. Then the second big thing that we released this week that was highly requested and will allow you to create a new pricing model for your plans is package pricing. All right. So let me show you how it works. So we create, of course, a paid plan, and when we scroll down to the price section, you can see here that we can choose the pricing model. So we have price per location, which is the model that you are already using, where you choose a price, and then your clients can add multiple location, and for each location they pay the same price. And another thing that you can do right now is a package price. All right. So let me show you how it works. So super simple. So this new pricing model allow you to create a different model for your pricing plan. So instead of charging per location, you set the maximum number of location that the client can add while it's subscribed to this plan. And if they need more location, they have, of course, to switch to a plan that allows more location. And so very simple. So we can create a plan with, for example, 3 location as the limit, and then we can choose the monthly amount, for example, $50, and then the annual amount, for example, $500. So super simple. So in this way, we can create this type of pricing strategy. As you can see, I have a bronze plan, silver plan, gold plan, and enterprise. These are all plans with package pricing. And as you can see, we have the bronze plan that accept maximum 3 locations, and customers pay $49 per month or $499 per year. We have the silver plan that allow maximum 5 locations, 99 and 999 per year. And then we have the gold plan with the 10 locations. And then we have the enterprise plan, maybe for very big customers, which is disabled from the billing portal. So our customers subscribe to these plans so to bronze, silver, and gold, they do not see the enterprise plan in the billing portal, which allow up to 100 location, and you charge 999 per month. All right, so that's the big thing. And let me show you how it works client side. All right, because I have here a client that, as you can see, is subscribed to the bronze plan. All right, so the bronze plan is this plan here that allows maximum free locations. Before showing you how it works client side, let me clarify a very, very important thing. So of course, it's important that you choose a single pricing strategy. We do not suggest to mix price per location plans and packaged plans, right? We do not suggest to have different type of plans. So also because you do not want in your client's billing portal to show you both plans that allows price per location and plans with the package pricing. Of course, which suggests to use a single pricing strategy. So you choose, do you want to charge per location, or do you want to charge with the package pricing model? So you choose one of the two strategies. For example, as you can see in this account, we have choose the package pricing model. So we just have plans with the packaged pricing models. All right. So let me log into this client account that is in the bronze plan. All right. So I click view client. As you know, I log into the client account. This is an empty client, but I just want to show you the billing section. So this client is subscribed to the bronze plan. All right. So we have bronze, silver, and gold. As you can see, the enterprise plan is not visible because we disable it from the billing portal. So the bronze plan allows up to 3 locations. All right. And as you can see here, we have added a single location. All right, so let me add the second location, location 2. And as you can see, I can do this. So I can add the second location, and I should be able to add also the third location because the bronze plan allow up to 3 locations. All right, so now I have 3 location, and of course with the menu here, I can switch from a location to another. If I click new location right now, you can see that I've reached the limit of location provided for this plan because my bronze plan allow maximum 3 location. So in order to add the 4th location, I have to switch plan. So I go to billing and I see that the silver plan allows 5 location. So I want to add my 4th location. So the only thing that I can do is switch to the silver plan. So as a customer, I click on switch, and I'm redirected into your billing portal directly into the pricing table where I can switch the plan. Here, your clients can see your plans and both the monthly plans and also the monthly pricing and the yearly pricing. And I want to switch to the silver plan because I want to add the 4th location. So I select the silver plan, I click on continue. I see how much I'm going to be charged. Of course, I had a 10% coupon applied. That was a forever coupon, and so this coupon is also transition in the silver plan because it's a forever coupon. So I'm not going to pay 99 per month, but I pay 89.10. And I subscribe. So I switch to the silver plan. All right. So I'm a silver customer. Right now, I return to the platform. As you can see now, the silver plan is active, so I'm now able to add, as you can see, the location 4. Location 4, sorry, location. And so this is all automated for you. So in this way, your clients can autonomously switch, add more location. For example, the silver allows 5 locations. So let me add also the location number 5. And let me just verify that if I try to add a new location now, I cannot do it because I have to go to the gold plan that allows 10 locations. So this is the two big things for this week. So coupon codes. All right, very, very simple settings, coupon codes, so you can create whatever you want. As I said, it's a V1, so we will add more coupon settings in the future. And we have now packaged pricing plans. As I said, I suggest to use a single strategy. So if you want to use this type of pricing model, just create plans with this pricing model. And so this allows you to, if you want, recreate your plans, change your pricing strategy. So you can choose which is the pricing model that better adapt to your agency business. So that's it for the demo of this week. I see a question from Frankly, what was the gift? So the gift that was presented at the beginning of the event is that from the next month, every month we're going to do a live event with Wayne, which is a top climber, hundreds of customers in Australia. And he's going to teach to the community the best sales strategy in order to get real concrete results with Climbo, as he's doing since a lot of years. And so he's going to come live to the community every month. Of course, it's a free event for all the people in the community. He's going to provide so much value related to sales because he has so much experience on this. And of course, all the Wayne's lessons are going to be recorded, saved, and published into a classroom of the community. And for those of you who want to go deep with the Wayne, there will be also the option to do a paid one-to-one with him that I know a lot of you are already doing. So Wayne will be able to reply to all your questions privately. And so that was the big gift that we announced. So let's go with Q&A. All right. Let's start with Quincy. Sorry, let me move my microphone. I see that you can't add package pricing to panels that already exist in Stripe. Exactly. So if you are familiar with Stripe, you know that also inside the Stripe, when you create a product, you cannot edit the price of the product. This is not possible even into Stripe. So if you have already created a plan, you cannot edit the plan's price and also, of course, the pricing model. So this is not possible even into Stripe. And so, of course, even also with the Stripe APIs, this is not possible. So in order to create this type of plans, you have to rebuild, so to recreate new plans. Question from Ryan: is the mobile app really 5K? Yes, it's a done for you service. We explained everything in the previous event, and so you can watch the recording of the previous event where we talk about everything that we're going to do for you for this done for you service. Question from Paul: you suggest to use package plan rather than the original plan earlier? No, I just suggest to use a single pricing model. You can choose which type of pricing model um, better fit your agency business. Both models are good. Uh, there are climbers who are getting extremely good results with the model, and also other climbers that are getting good results with the other model. I'm talking about, of course, this package pricing model was also previously available in the previous version of Climbo, so Climbo 1.0, and so a lot of people got good results with this model. But also the price per location model works very well. So you can choose between these two type of pricing model. Question from Eric: would it be possible that when I make a quick request for a review, I can also access my templates here? Yes, we've already talked internally about this. Let me just show you in the screen. So right now, when you want to do a quick request, sorry, let me show you here from the demo account. So when you do a quick request, your templates created in the templates section are not visible, but you simply see a single previously created template. Let me just go to the text section. So basically, when you get to this step, which is the last step of the quick request, you do not see your templates, but you see just this text that you can edit. Of course, it's saved, so the next time you see the previously sent text. Why we didn't add here the templates? Because it can happen that um, your client are, for example, just have these review features enabled and do not have the request feature enabled, so they do not have templates enabled. So in this case, if templates are not enabled, there should be something to show them. That's why we've added this flow here. But we want to do that if your clients have this request feature enabled. So if they have templates, we can show also the templates. So they can choose if they want to create a custom template or if they can use the templates already created. Question from Garby. I want to set up automation. So this CRM connected with existing clients to send a review request, reminder, and last call. And then the process of free review requests need to start with every new client in the CRM. Yeah, we're going to work on review reminders if that's the question. So you'll be able to set up a flow of review request directly from Climbo. Question from Eric. Could you please prevent the page from constantly reloading after an action so that one can continue at the point where they left off? It always starts at the top of the page and you have to scroll back to place where you stopped. Yeah, all right. I'm going to notify my tech team about this. I think you're talking about the fact that, for example, if I go in another tab and I return here, sometimes the page refresh itself. So I will notify the team about it. Donna, is this recorded? Yes. Yes. So I click the record button this time. So it's going to be uploaded in the community probably tomorrow. Eric, could you please prioritize custom prompts for answers? We have a lot of things to prioritize. Of course, we try to do our best. We prioritize what has the most votes for now. So in the Climbo roadmap, you see there are a lot of things with a lot of votes. So we prioritize them. Question from Paul. You're going to explain how to set up the app. Yes, next week in the community, we're going to publish this new classroom related to the app. So there will be lessons related to how to fill the Google form next week. Yes. Question from Garby. All right, very long question. So on ranking, the analyzed keyword is the category you have to choose when setting up your Google business profile. If you scroll down, you see the long tail keywords people looked for in the last month. It will be great if you could take that keyword and see how you rank on that one. It suggests you which keyword to use in your AI responses. You could use those keywords for ads. Currently, clients can cancel their subscription at any time, leading to unpredictable revenue and frequent churn. As we automate more tasks, our value increase, and we need more stable long-term client relationships. The goal is to reduce churn, increase predictability, and streamline retention without sacrificing customer experience. So regarding the keyword that we show for the ranking report, let me show to everyone. So let me go to home, ranking and competitors. Of course, as you know, the keyword that we use here to create the ranking analysis is the category of the business. I know, and we know that there are a lot of keywords for which your clients want to see their ranking. As I said, when I presented this big feature, this is also a V1, and so there will be other version in the future. And something that we want to do, of course, is to let your client change this and let your clients see their rankings also for different keywords, so they can take their conclusions. And of course, yes. So regarding the AI agent, so the SEO agent, as you know, right now, these keywords are not automatically pre-filled for your clients. So you or your clients have to add them manually. There will be also a V2 also for this, where we automatically suggest a keyword. So maybe we go into the Google Business Profile, we just look at which are the most used, most searched keyword for your client's business, and we add them here. So we make sure that the SEO agent reply using those keywords, so your client starts to rank higher for those keywords. Question from Ryan regarding the app. So regarding the app, right now, this is the only thing that we do. So the done for you service, where we publish the app for you. Maybe in the future there will be new things, but right now this is the only thing that we do related to the app. Question from Paul. Request a quick brief training to use the integration Climbo 2.0 to lead connector via Zapier. All right. Yes. So as you know, Climbo is on Zapier. So both our own Zapier app for the agency mode and also the unbranded app for the clients mode. So I'm talking about this AI connector Zapier integration. There will be soon also a classroom dedicated to automations. So I'm recording these lessons, so you'll be able to learn how to use Climbo, integrating it with the thousand of apps available in Zapier, and both for the agency mode and also for the clients mode. Not only Zapier, but also NA10, Publi, Make.com. Paul, you're asking for the Thai language. And when customer leave a review in a language, Thai, or any other language, the AI automatically respond in that language. Yes, so right now you can already set up the language for the AI replies. So I guess Thailand is not present. All right, we have a lot of languages, but Thailand is not present. I'm going to notify my tech team about this. It's very quick on our side to add a new language, so we'll do this. Question from Matteo: is there any chance we can have a custom page in Climbo where we can embed some custom code? As an easy example, add a custom link contact page in the sidebar. Yes. Yes, so this is something that was present in Climbo 2.0, sorry, in Climbo 1.0. For those who do not know, so we're talking about the possibility for you to add a custom link, maybe here, that redirect to an external page. Right now, the only thing that you can do is the possibility for you to add custom code. So from the brand section, you just go here and you can add custom code. So you can add maybe a floating button, whatever. So this is currently possible. You can use a tool, for example, like L-Site. I don't know if you know them. I just write here in the chat. I think this is the name of the tool. Sorry, let me just show you here. So with this kind of tool, you can create, I don't know, floating buttons. So you just WhatsApp chat widget, whatever. You just get the code and you copy and paste it here. So this is what you currently can do right now. But we want to add the custom link. Also, something that we want to work very, very soon is the free trial banner. So your clients in free trial in their clients mode as a top bar, they have a banner. And you can customize the text and the call to action of the banner. This is something that we want to do. Custom links, yes, this will be done. Question from Andy: anyone here running a reviews only Climbo agency? If you're starting with 0 client, how realistic is it to make this sustainable? I suggest to do a post about it in the community. There are already posts about it. Of course, Climber is not let's say, a super easy business model, but if you commit to work, especially locally, so do not try to find customers, in other continents, but wants to be a real local partner for your clients. There are a lot of people that started from 0 and transformed it into a real business. So this is possible. Not easy. Nothing is easy, especially business, but this is possible. Donna, you have an issue with the generation of reports via the widget. Please open a ticket and we're going to look into it. Kevin, if you have a question about switching from 1.0 to 2.0, please open a ticket. Question from Ryan: will there be more design customization options on the platforms in terms of color scheme? For example, a different color palette for the next goal color bar? For now, no. So I'm talking about, of course, this. So right now, as you know, in Climbo, we prefer simplicity. So we prefer that you choose a single color and then all the platform colors adapt to the color that you choose. And so for now, we haven't planned to allow you to add custom colors on, for example, have a bar in a color and the buttons in another color. So we prefer this type of simplicity for now. Question from Brian: do you need to use any email finder, or can I use another email finder tool? So if you use our prospecting tool, the tool is integrated with any email finder, so you have to use any email finder. Of course, you're free to use any other tools, but externally from Climbo. Garby, currently clients can cancel their subscription at any time. Yes, this is so your clients can cancel their subscription from their Stripe customer portal. So they just click on the cancel button, and this is the Stripe customer portal, but this is what also most of customers want. So they, especially nowadays, people, they do not want to be forced to contact you or to schedule a meeting with you if they want to cancel the subscription. So we prefer that your clients are, if they want, of course, are free to autonomously cancel the subscription. Paul, why we have to pay for WhatsApp? Because we use WhatsApp APIs. So we do not. So WhatsApp APIs is not free. I show you WhatsApp pricing. All right. If you just go to Google WhatsApp API pricing, and you go here, you scroll. For example, sending a WhatsApp message to Italy, for example, in dollars, a marketing message, as you can see, cost 7 cents to us, right? And right now we charge per area. So we have US and Canada, UK and Australia, and then rest of the world. As I said, in the community, we're going to implement a more specific price per country. So you're going to pay exactly what WhatsApp charge us to send messages. A question from Gary: will AutoKit be supported? AutoKit is a Zapier competitor. So right now, as you know, we have the app into Zapier, but right now you can, if you know how to use APIs, and you can already use other no-code tools like Na10, Make.com, Publi, etc. Maybe also AutoKit, if they allow to do custom API calls. I'm going to do lessons about it, of course, but you can already use our APIs with the tools like tools different from Zapier competitors. Question from Josia: can users purchase multiple locations under single plan? Example: customers want T1 with free location. T1 equals basic features plus one location. T2 equals more features plus one location. So right now, as you know, we have, as I presented today, two different pricing models. Price per location, where you create, for example, free plans. In every plan, you just enable or disable features. And then if the clients wants to add multiple location, they have to pay for each location. Or we have the pricing that I've presented today, so the packaged pricing, where you can do this thing here. So you can create free plans, bronze, silver, and gold. For every plan, you enable or disable feature, and you set also the maximum number of locations. Bronze plan, maximum 3 locations. Silver plan, maximum 5. and the gold plan maximum 10. So in this way, clients upgrading their plans, they unlock more features, but also more locations. So you can choose which type of pricing model is the best for you. Question from Eric: does the social agent post only post or stories? Will both be possible? Yes. We discussed it last week. I forgot to add it in the plan features, but I will add it. Basically, there will be here in the social agent, there will be post, story, and also both. So there will be this third option that the agent automatically posts both stories and post. Marco, WhatsApp integration is still not working properly. Um, yes, so WhatsApp, we're monitoring the WhatsApp integration. Let's say that 80% is working. As you know, we work with Bird. So Bird use WhatsApp APIs, and we use Bird APIs to send WhatsApp messages. And it's also a new integration for them. So let's say that we are still in the beta phase for WhatsApp, but we of course we will keep improving it, and we're monitoring closely everything. Yes, Cursa, this session is recorded. And then we have last question from Martin. How do you deal with incentivized reviews? Any workarounds? It says offering incentives like discounts, gift, or money for Google Business Profile reviews is strictly against Google policies and FTC rules, risking review removal, profile suspension, and damaging customer trust. So we all know about this. And so we also all know that still a lot of businesses do it, even if legally is not 100% possible. Of course, we do not suggest to do something if in your country is not 100% legal. Maybe verbally, if your clients have some, of course, physical and verbal interaction with their end customer, they can say something about the gift that they can give in exchange of the review, and this can be, for example, part of the training process that you do during the setup, when you train the staff of your clients about the words that they have to use in order to ask for review. So they can talk about, for example, a reward if the customer leave a review. Maybe they do not write nothing in their review link. And but of course, if in your specific country this is 100% not legal, and there are a lot of example of businesses of Google Business Profiles shut it down because of this, of course, we do not suggest to use a reward system. Question from Matteo. The ranking section is great, but I've noticed two issues. Firstly, the ranking is in a tab and it's not very visible to users. Everyone seems to ask where to find it. Could we make it more noticeable? So the ranking, as you know, is here in the home section. We have these four cards: reviews, statistics, Google performance. Something that we moved today. So Google performance that was into the profile section, so was below here. We decided to move it in the home screen, because in the homes we just put everything related to statistics and performance. The other sections are the management sections, let's say, of the platform. Home is just for monitoring. So we decide to centralize everything related to monitoring in the home section. And ranking and competitor is the last one. And let me show you also from mobile. All right. We have now this beautiful drop-down menu where you can switch from a section to another. And so you say that this is not super visible. And of course, it's we cannot do a lot about this. Of course, it's also your role during the setup to explain everything to the customers so they know that the ranking section is here. Maybe we can do a poll in the community to just see if it's maybe more important than sentiment and Google performance. So we move it maybe as second. So we can do this poll, and so you guys can see, can decide if, for example, ranking is more important than other sections, so we can move it to the second place. And then secondly, the chart comparing numbers um, to average scores is powerful, but the design is a bit poor. I think you are talking about this. All right, okay, let me show it entirely. It would be great if we could make it more visually appealing and easier to understand. All right. So as also said, this is a V1. So if you have a suggestion for how to redesign this, feel free to open a ticket or also to post in the community a new design that maybe you like about this, and we can comment this together. And if everyone likes the new design, we can implement it. So feel free to do a sketch about this, and so we can comment it all together in the community. Then, last question from Elliot. Will it be possible to add the team members to our Climbo account? I have people who sell services with me, would like to let them log in under my account. Yes, this is the most voted features. We want to do a big thing for your sales team. So there will be a dedicated section where you can add not only team members that, let's say, staff team members that just access to your agency account to manage things, but we want to do something specifically for salespeople that can sell for you and earn a percentage of the MRR of the clients that they close. So there will be this thing. It's one of the priority for the first quarter of this year. So thank you guys for joining this event. I'm very, very happy that I remember to record the event. So this will be published tomorrow in the community. And we will do a new post in the community on Monday, as we did this Monday, with the development plan for the week. And the last question from Donna: so like an affiliate scheme on our white label? Yes. So basically, you can add your sales team. They will have probably a dedicated coupon code, and if you get clients using that dedicated coupon code that you assign to each team member, automatically a part of the MRR of the client that got sold will go to your team member. So they'll be able maybe to add their PayPal link. We track the commission, and then externally you can pay out the commission. All right, so thanks everyone. And as I said, the features presented today are already live in your account. And we'll see each other next Thursday with another AMA event. It's been a pleasure, and have a good weekend to everyone.